Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you on a walking tour from Union Station to the iconic Toronto sign at Nathan Phillips Square. The walk should take you about 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Our starting point is Union Station. This is the heart of Toronto's transit system and a historical landmark. Opened in 1927, it's one of Canada's busiest transportation hubs. Fun fact, over 300,000 people pass through this station every day. Union Station has trains going around Canada and even to international destinations like New York. If you're taking this walking tour, you can make a quick stop inside the station to admire the Beaux Arts architecture and the Great Hall's stunning ceiling. I'm currently standing on Bay Street, right in front of Union Station. Bay Street is often referred to as the financial heart of Canada because it is home to Canada's major banks and financial institutions. You'll notice the towering skyscrapers lining the street as we go along. Standing right here, we see our first landmark, and that is the iconic CN Tower. Standing at 1,815 feet, it's one of the tallest structures in the world and a true symbol of Toronto. Crossing the street here, and the first thing you see is my reflection in the window waving at you all. Hello! Look to your right and you'll see the impressive TD Canada Trust Tower. This tower is part of the Toronto Dominion Centre, a prominent feature of Toronto's financial district. Its sleek design is a testament to modernist architecture. Keep walking and you'll notice Brookfield Place opposite the Royal Bank of Canada's Plaza. Brookfield Place is a stunning example of modern architecture. The Allen Lambert Galleria, often called the Crystal Cathedral of Commerce, is a beautiful atrium that connects two office towers. It's a popular spot for photos and events, and it's free to walk through and admire. Its modern glass architecture contrasts beautifully with the historic buildings around it. Brookfield Place is also the home of the Hockey Hall of Fame, where you can dive into Canada's favorite sport, check out the memorabilia, and even see the Stanley Cup. As you continue on Bay Street, you are surrounded by towering skyscrapers and the buzz of business. It's like Toronto's very own Wall Street. And if you're hungry, this area has tons of great spots to grab a bite. A few blocks down, and you'll reach Toronto's Old City Hall. This Romanesque revival building with its iconic clock tower is a piece of Toronto's history, dating back to 1899. It served as Toronto's City Hall for over 50 years. Take a photo or two here before heading left to our final destination. You'll need to cross the street at a designated area and walk into the Nathan Phillips Square. This public space is a hub for events, gatherings, and celebrations. Of course, the highlight is the iconic Toronto sign, a perfect spot for that Instagram-worthy photo. The Toronto sign was originally installed for the 2015 Pan American Games, but it became so popular that it stayed. It's now an enduring symbol of the city's vibrant spirit. This is a very popular photo spot among tourists because it literally spells out Toronto. This square is also home to the modern Toronto City Hall, an architectural marvel with its twin towers. Take a moment to soak it all in. The energy, the people, the sights. Toronto is a city that never stops, and this walk is just a small taste of what it has to offer. Thanks for joining me on this walking tour. Until next time, stay awesome and keep exploring.